The 20W DC-DC 5V30V positive and negative step-up/step-down inverter dual output power module is a versatile device used to convert a range of input voltages to a stable dual output voltage. This type of module is particularly useful in applications requiring both positive and negative voltage rails, such as operational amplifier circuits, analog signal processing, and other electronics requiring symmetric power supplies. Key features: wide input voltage range, 5V to 30V DC. Dual output, both positive and negative outputs. Step-up/step-down capability, can increase, boost, or decrease, buck, the input voltage. Power output, typically around 20 W, total power output. Adjustable outputs, output voltages are usually adjustable via onboard potentiometers. High efficiency, often greater than 85%, depending on the specific module and load conditions. Protection features includes overcurrent, overvoltage, and thermal protection. Specifications: input voltage 5V to 30V DC. Output voltage adjustable, typically from plus or minus 5V to plus or minus 30V DC. Output current varies, but often up to 1A to 2A per output. Total power output around 20 W. Efficiency generally over 85%. Ripple, low output ripple for stable power supply. Applications: operational amplifier circuits, analog signal processing, test and measurement equipment, dual power supply for audio equipment, general electronics projects. Example module overview. Here's a generic overview of how to use such a module. Connections. Input terminals, connect the input voltage, 5V to 30V DC, to the module's input terminals. Output terminals, the module will have two sets of output terminals for the positive and negative voltages. Connect these to your load. Adjusting the output voltage. Most modules have potentiometers for adjusting the output voltage. Use a small screwdriver to adjust these until you get the desired output voltage. Measure the output voltage with a multimeter to ensure accuracy. Powering up. After making the connections and adjusting the output voltage, power up the module by applying the input voltage. Monitor the output voltage and current to ensure the module operates within its specified limits. Example usage. Suppose you have an input voltage of 12V and need plus or minus 15V for your application. Connect the 12V input to the input terminals of the module. Adjust the output potentiometers to set the output voltage to plus 15V and dash 15V. Connect the output terminals to your load, ensuring correct polarity. Safety and precautions. Ensure proper cooling. High-power modules can get hot. Ensure adequate cooling or heat sinking to prevent thermal shutdown or damage. Check connections. Double-check all connections before powering up to avoid short circuits or incorrect wiring. Monitor load. Ensure the load connected does not exceed the module's maximum current rating.